Let's build a scene that'll make your reader's skin literally crawl. You ready?
Yeah, feel that? That's the power of sound. And you're about to learn how to use it.
So, your challenge is to create that exact feeling of dread, but with just one simple sound.
The whole goal here is to take a totally normal, everyday sound and make it absolutely terrifying.
Step 1 is pretty fun. You're gonna pick a safe sound and just brainstorm how to make it creepy. See that? How we go from a normal drip to that? That's how you build suspense.
All right, let's get into the rules. Think of these as your secret weapons for creating horror.
There are only 3 to remember, and trust me, they make all the difference.
First up is the rule of 3. This just means your sound has to happen 3 separate times.
And each time, that sound gets closer or louder or just way weirder. Okay, rule 2 is a big one. You are not allowed to use words like loud or scary. Instead, you have to use words that are the sound. Think hiss, thrum, or slap. Make us hear it. And the last rule is all about your character's reaction. This part is so important. Every time they hear the sound, describe one physical thing that happens to them. Okay, you've written your scene. Now for the final step. And you really can't skip this one. You've got to read it out loud. Seriously, it's the only way to feel if the pacing actually works.
All right, you've got the tools. So, what normal sound are you going to make terrifying? Go for it.